There is a great feature on the Pfaff Creative Icon 2. Should you wish to sew all of a design that has numerous color changes as just a one color design, or sometimes called a monochrome design, you have that great feature when you open up the color block options called one color. So what it's going to do, if you accidentally touch that, you are going to notice that everything kind of turns gray instead. So if you are in the ghost mode, which I was, it's showing that this area is going to start, but it's not blue. So it's going to just stitch all the areas from start to finish. No color stops, and it would go from one color to the next without stopping. The other cool thing about that, I love to do tone on tone. So if my background is black, stitching this in black embroidery thread, oh my gosh, gives it such a classic royal shine to this, and it really helps create a very unique classic look, very elegant. But instead of you having to just start it and keep going past those color stops, switch it over to one color at the top there, and your design will be finished in no time at all. Definitely hook up with the MySewNet app and your smartphone. Be connected to the Wi-Fi at home, and then when you are wandering off doing other things, it will notify you when your entire design is finished, so you can wander back and get right to your next design. So check out next time you're stitching something. Would it look good all in one color? And add that feature on when needed. Now, if you want to learn more about the MySewNet apps that are free with the purchase of this machine, check out our Pfaff Bootcamp online course, where we go through so many different features that focus on the Wi-Fi capabilities, the apps, and the mysewnet.com website. All the free stuff that came with this machine right at your fingertips. It's like a 6-hour class. It's really cool. So again, those links are below if you are interested in checking that out. And we have over 100 videos for you to binge watch on mastering your beautiful Pfaff Creative Icon 2 in the YouTube playlist. So you can start at the beginning and learn everything you need to know about your machine.